We're going up 200 feet in the air, and it's been a long 2 years, and we're excited to ride.
That drop looks pretty steep, man.
Oh my gosh. I'm so ready.
All right.
All right.
We're at the top of the lift.
Oh, man.
Oh my goodness.
That's some good views. Oh,
And that's a really steep drop.
oh no! Woo!
Oh my goodness,
Wow.
wow. That was fantastic.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
That was definitely worth the 2-year wait.
Yes, it was. Go ahead. Say goodbye.
Well, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you hopefully out here soon.
Whew.
Woo!
Did you get our picture? Ready? Oh. Thank you.